In this video, we'll create a list of pages page. Open pages_list.php and remove the content which we've placed there in the previous videos. Change the view to design and apply the template by going to Modify, Template, Apply Template to Page. Select our template and click on the Select button. Save the file. Change the view to the code. Scroll down to our title paragraph and rename it to list of pages. Save it again. Go to the design. Now we need to create the record set to pull out all the information we want from the database. So go to the server behaviors panel, click on the plus sign and click on this record set. Change the view to advanced. And for the name type RS pages, this is the name of our record set. Connection, we will be using ConnDB, which is our connection to our database. Now go to the database items, expand the tables, the pages table, and select the following: page ID, and click on the select button. Page link, click on the select. Now we are going to go to the table nav, select nav name and click on select button. What we're going to do next is we need to apply where clause, and to do this, select from the table pages, select pg_nav and click on the where button this time. Now go back to the table nav and select nav ID. And before we click on where, after the table pages.page nav, type equal space, and now click on where to insert the name of the field. We want this to be displayed in the order of the nav ID, so order by nav ID, and then by page link, and we want this to be displayed in the ascending order. So if we test it, you can see we've got first all of the items within the top navigation, main navigation, then bottom one, and we've got them displayed in the alphabetical order depending on the name placed within the page link field. So we've got help, then we've got resources, then we've got A, B, C, H, and so on. You can click on the OK button and OK again to create the record set. Save the page. Next step will be to display the records on the page itself. So scroll down to our title paragraph, and after this paragraph create a new line, go to the Common tab and click on the Table button to insert a table. We want just 2 rows for the time being. Columns, we will need 4 columns actually. Table width, nothing in there. We want the headings to be at the top. All these equal 0 and click on OK. Okay. Now if we refresh our properties panel, place our cursor anywhere within the table. Now select the table, and from a table drop-down menu, select table repeat to assign this ID to the table. Okay, we can change the view to design. Save the page. In the first column, we will be displaying page name. In the next one, we will be displaying navigation. Next one, we will have remove button. And the last one will have edit button. Actually, it's going to be link rather than button. Okay, now for the page name, if we go to the bindings panel, expand our record set. For the page name, we want this pg_link to populate information from a database. Now navigation, it's going to be nav_name. For the remove, we simply type remove, and for the edit, we type edit, as we will create later on links out of these two. Change view to the code. Select the bottom row only. Now go to the server behaviors. What we're going to do now, we're going to apply repeat region, because obviously if we go into test page now, it's going to display only one record, because there's no repeat region applied to it yet. So what we're going to do now, we're going to apply repeat region by going to server behaviors, clicking on a plus sign, and click on the repeat region. And we want all of the pages to be displayed on that page from the RS pages record set, and click OK. Now if we save the page and try to log into our system by using our username and password, which is admin and password, click enter. As you can see, we get the same error, forgotten again. So we need to obviously include the file with the function which makes our button active. So go back to the login page and simply copy the second line again and paste it on the second line within the pages list .php page. Now if we refresh, you can see the list of all of the pages. We can see which navigation does it belong to, and we've got these two options here which at the moment still don't work. We will focus on them in the next video.